Hello, my name is Carlos Ervan, and today we're going to do a very simple A-B test. So first, let's talk what an A-B test is. An A-B test is simply when you have two ads. One second. So basically you have two ads and you change one element. And I say you can do more than one element, but to keep it simple and to be able to know exactly what element make the difference, I suggest you only change one element. So here you can see these two ads are very similar or basically the same. The only thing that changed is the call to action. And once the call to action being book now versus contact us. So once you start running it, you start getting all of the different results and of the two ads so that you can compare which one is the best one. We're going to get to this in a second. The main objective really is to show you how to set it up. So I'm going to create something completely new from scratch. And I'm going to use Canva. Okay, Canva again is very convenient. So these are my pictures, or you can use any pictures that you want. So my hobby is photography, so that's why I'm doing this photography thing. So you basically have the two ads are identical. One is $89, the other one is $99. Again, I want to see if there is a significant difference because if there isn't, then you know I'll just charge $99. You would expect $89 to have a much higher demand, but maybe there is no difference. So these are the ones that I'm going to use. And now I'm going to go to the Meta Manager. Okay. Now here in the Meta Manager, let me move this thing. Here in the Meta Manager, the easiest way to do this is just go here where it says Content. And under Content, you see here there is A-B tests. Okay. So let's click on A-B tests. Okay, so now we're gonna do create an A/B test. So it's asking me the first one. Okay, so it's an image. So now I'm gonna add the photo. And let's see, I have it saved here. Okay, so here is the first one. So here is my first one. And it looks a little strange. So I should have formatted it. Let me see if I can improve it a little bit. And so let me pause for a second. So let's see. I think it will allow me to fix it once I have both of them on. So let's see, image, add photo, and now I want to do version 2. Okay, so here is version 2. Again, the only difference is the price. So let's see what else. Next. Okay. Uh, Again, I could spend time trying to fix it now, but that's not the point. The point is to show you how to set it up. Obviously, I would fix it, but let's for now just do test name. I'm gonna put 99, sorry, $99 versus $89 macro workshop. Okay. Now the key metric is I want to see clicks. Okay. And then here I can put the duration of the test. You can put 24 hours. You can even test it for 3 hours, which is kind of interesting. I've never done a test for so short period of time. But let's just say 24 hours. Preview and publish. Okay. So basically, After the test ends, will notify you of the results of when in post on 3 to moving forward. Okay, so now we click publish now. So now it's basically in my page, okay, and it basically is live, okay. Now what I'm gonna do is ending your test early. So now I just need to figure out so basically this is it. There is not much more. You can end the test early and publish another one. I need to figure out how to end it early. Oh, here it is. Cancel test. Okay. No, I wanted to show you how to do this because again, if you don't want to spend any money, don't spend any money. So this is how you set up the test. I'm going to cancel it right now. Okay. Now, here, let's go back to the test that I already did. Okay. And what I want to show you now is all the type of information that you can get. So I'm going to open this link. Sorry, this link. So now I'm opening the link of the previous test that I did. And the great thing about it is here you can basically select what you want to see. So if I want to see age, so let me put my, so here it gives you a breakout of the age. Sorry, let me put this over here. The different ages of both ads, okay? So if there was a significant difference, maybe you want to see, well, where is the difference coming from? Is it at a particular age group? Or is it a particular gender? Or is it a particular day of the month? So again, it allows you to do all these things, or you can go by the metrics. What are you interested in seeing? Click-through rate, cost per thousand impressions, cost per click. So it is a wonderful tool because you don't need to, ahead of time, you don't need to decide these things. You can just run your test and then be able to look at all the different, you see there's tons of key performance indicators or metrics, okay? And if it's a video, you can even look in what part of the video did better than the other. Here you have attributions, okay? So so anyway, this is it's not supposed to be a long video. Just wanted to show you the capabilities and how super easy it is to create an A/B test, with a Meta Manager. By the way, it's the same thing with almost any tool. I always recommend to learn to use the Meta Manager, which is the most comprehensive. There is the Ads Manager and there is the Meta Manager. The Meta Manager allows you to do everything. Okay, and so here you have Ads Manager. So if you know how to use the Meta Manager, then you can do everything from here, and then you're able to basically it's the same thing if you're doing advertising with TikTok, with LinkedIn, with well, now it's called X, Twitter. So this is the most comprehensive one. Now, the ad manager from Google, what used to be called AdWords, is a little bit different. So for that one, I'm going to create a different video. So for what I'm talking about now is, so this is the Face Manager, sorry, the Meta Manager, and this would be for the Google. So this one I'm going to do separately. It's not difficult either. It's actually relatively easy too, but it's a very different tool. So I'm not going to put them both in the same video. All right, well, thank you